Hello guys, welcome back to your own channel Technology Transforming. And as you know, we started this series in the lockdown, and we are delivering you a lot of things where you can learn many things like MS Word, MS Excel, all those. You can say full package of basic computer, basic operations. Okay, so we'll start. If you are new here, please just visit to our channel. This is our channel, and our channel, you will see there we have started with a basic operation, how the computer will operate. If you don't know about anything, you just see these videos. These videos will help us how the computer has to be going to be operated. If your computer is slow and if you have some issue, you just try these videos. It will help you in terms of your computer performance. Apart from that, MS Paint, 3D Paint, MS Word full series, and our video is available Hindi and English, both the languages. So Saturday will be our Hindi videos, and Wednesday will be our English videos. So same, it will be repeated in the Wednesday. So MS Excel we already did it 7 series, and last series we already explained to you about pivot chart. And if you're new here, if you like our video, so you can share with your family, your friends, and who want to learn these things. So we'll start. So last time we'll already have some seeds, and based on this data, this is MIS data, as we explained what is the MIS and all those things. And based on this MIS data, we make a pivot things. We make pivot table, and the pivot table, how it will work. So today we'll just explore more about pivot table, how it will, the chart, slicer, everything is used into the pivot table, and many more things. So we'll start this thing. Okay, so I'm just removing these data. So I will just take total price. Okay, so this is the, we have same data based on this pivot table, and this we already explained in our last video how these column will work, where it's come from, and all those things. Okay, so now we'll go into today, we'll go into the analyzer. And analyzer, once this you will click here, so analyzer tab will be by default open. Okay, and you just go to insert slicer, and the slicer is basically, it's kind of index, like if you want to go in some page or some data. So basically slicer, you can say, is a kind of index where you can get, suppose I'm clicking on number of slides and I will click on OK. It is by default like this. You just see, it's kind of we have headings here, whatever headings, and if we want, I want only Air India data, so it will come Air India data. I want Go Air, whatever it is, and you can remove filter from here, so it will show you all the datas. Apart from that, slicer is basically used for this filtering the data, but from the tab. You don't want to be from here, so you just click and it is giving you the data. You can change the slider, basically the different colors you can put, you whatever you want to do. I just remove it, so you will see here, this you can color change, these things you can do it. You can make here from, I can just like this. Okay, different settings you can put it. Okay, so you want like two columns, so it will come 2 columns. You can change these settings, you can change the height and width of this, and you can do different things. You can do slider settings, name, instead of name flights you want to go something else, you can give this, name of header. You can here ascending descending, you can do it. So this ascending descending we talk about, caption, what is there, we already talk about. You can change this name, we already talk about, so you can see our previous videos. So this is a small this thing. Apart from that, we can make our custom slicer. You can just go into new slicer, and new slicer you can go just whole slicers, means this full slicer you can format here. You can give suppose I want blue color, then you want to give header is basically what, header is the same thing. So I want to change name header as red color, then I want to give selected data with format, will put fill some color, selected data will put green, and unselected data we can put format any color, whatever you like it. Okay, so maybe I will put this color. Okay, so this is that, and then you can go to here and you can select your own custom. So see, this whatever color you have, make it is there. Once you select this will be all, only green will be this other color. So you can use this based on your requirement. So this is, I think you got it, what is the use of slicer and how it is using. It is giving us easy data and how it is. And apart from that, this reports connection will let this is important, we'll discuss this later in this session. But before, I think you understand all, and we close the filter. Okay, so this is that. And apart from that, you can change this the height, and you can change these whatever it's required, you can make this. Okay, so based on that you can do these settings. Okay, and you can change this height. So if you see now, whatever we required, it's now perfectly we did it. I don't know why it's coming. Okay, yeah, now it's okay. So based on this we can do that. We have other options we clear, then we again go to analyze. We have slicer we discussed. Then here is the pivot chart. Pivot chart is basically all the charts that we discuss in our word session, and we are going to be maybe little bit detail into chart where we'll come. So we can select different charts. So I'm just here select column. So column I will select simple and I will put here. Okay, and later on you can do whatever changes you want to do. You just you can again go to design here, different things. Suppose you want this, so you can select this, and you want to change color, you can go either from here or from here. You can go and change the color. So whatever color you want, you just make it this color. Okay, so then it will be, now if you just select Air India, here will be only the data will become for Air India. Again, this will also work as Air India. This will also, if you want Go Air, you can just, if you want select 2, just plus control and 2, so it will just come 2. So control plus, if you select 2, so it will come only 2. Okay, so this is thing. Apart from that, if you want two slicer together, that also is possible. So I will just make this chart as here, and just will do little bit small. So other things also come, and we can remove the filter. So everything is there. If you want to make another slicer from, suppose this is the brand, and suppose you want to make some another slice, again you go to analyzer, go to slicer, and if you want to know trip of the month, so you can just click trip of the month. So the only the trip of month, and you want to change anything, you just, suppose 8, only the 8, what is that? Spice Z. So Spice Z is coming here. If 12 is what, that if you want 2, again you can select 2, and the only 2 will come. So you can do lot of things with this slicer, and the activity whatever you have to do it, you can do lot of things. So right now I don't want this, so I'm remove this. Okay, so I remove this trip of month. Now my thing is how we can put if suppose we have two data, how it will two data controlled by one slicer. And as we discussed, so we'll discuss this slicer options, report connections. So I think we cover all these things. So now we'll cover as the report. So once you go to the data, whatever your raw data is there, and you just go to insert, and here is the pivot chart. So you just select pivot chart and pivot table, and that range already it's selected. It's want existing, yes, we want existing, but not in the data sheet. Here is the formula with the data sheet. So you just remove this and give sheet thing from here, and you can click somewhere here, because it want blank space. And then yes, so here if you see, once we selected, it's already come pivot table 3 and chart. So what we'll do, first we'll go to pivot table. We same as flights, and here we will give passengers. Okay, so it is giving the passenger data side by side. Here it is giving total sum of total, means how much earning it is. So we can see number of passenger and number of thing with this, and we can see how we can control with the same thing with the slicer. And this chart I will change. So where we'll go to change, we'll go to change type, and then we'll go to pie chart. So I want to go simple pie chart again. Okay, and you can change your this thing. So we want with percentage, how what is the percentage covering with the passenger. So we can change this like, okay, so this okay, I will just small this, yeah. So you can see everything. Now if you see, if I select only Air India, it will changing here, it is not affecting here, you know. So what is the issue is that we did not connect this slicer with this pivot chart. So what we can do, we can go to analyzer. First we'll select here, we can go to options, the report connections. If you see, here is the pivot table sheet. So you check this, you know. So once you check this, it is now connecting with one. So already this is the, we'll remove filter, so both are there right now. If we want now Air India, so Air India, it is giving here revenue, and it is here giving here number of passenger. Go Air total, how many it's earning, and what is the passengers of totals. So based on this, we can make anything. Like this is the best thing to do reporting, best to do anything. Apart from that, I told you, if you want any, you know, slicer setting, I already explained to you how it will be. So slicer is again very important. You can see, you know, what is the, how it's playing with the our data, how it's playing with our this thing. So this thing is quite you know, surprising to us. Here is the best thing. Here you change the chart type, whatever you want to do, and it's already calculated the percentage wise. If you see here, this is the blue color for this, blue one is for Air India, this is for SpiceJet. So SpiceJet is showing 17. So if you see number here, so here is the number is 3240, and the maximum number is whom, maximum number is 20 is for Indigo. So Indigo is how much, 3840. So highest number is this, so that's why the percentage. But Go Air is more than that, 24. So Go Air is this color for 4680. So it is total 24% of total, 24% of what, 1915. So it will explain you the data in the way where you will you know, get to know how it is. So if you calculate percentage here, so I will give you roughly example how we'll calculate percentage. This divided by this, right? So percentage will be 24%. If you calculate with the percentage, it is 24%. So it is showing here. So everything it is programmed, and you know how it is working will be you just see. So it's beautiful feature. I think everybody has to use those features who, you know, want. And if you like our video, you just share with your family and friends, and who for the MS means this basic computer course, surely you have to pay something. We are giving you here free of cost all the knowledge, all the details. So you can use this, and you know, whatever we are talking about Atmanirbhar Bharat, so it will help you in terms of your, you know, you can monitor your growth, your business growth, your sales growth, or whatever it is. So you can use this pivot chart for all those particular thing. Okay, if I think we did it for today, and if you surely like it, our this video, please like it, share with your family and friends, and please subscribe our channel. That red button will be there for subscribe. You just go to red button, and you know, you just subscribe our channel. And once you do the subscribe our channel, so you will press the bell icon with all the notification. There are 3 personalized, not noticed, and one more is there, all notifications. So you click on the all notifications. So once we'll release the video, you will immediately get all the you know, all the informations, or all the notifications that our video is released. You have to watch it. So once it's released, you will come to first, then you will just see, you will learn something. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. We'll meet our next session soon on next Wednesday.